Imagine a predator so perfectly evolved that its prey never sees it coming, a ghost gliding through the upper atmosphere. This is the F-22 Raptor, America's premier air superiority fighter and a symbol of technological dominance. For pilots, it's the ultimate tool. For adversaries, a near-mythical threat. The F-22 was designed to be an enigma, its shape crafted to deceive radar and vanish into the sky. Pilots tell stories of seeing everything while remaining unseen, able to eliminate entire squadrons before the enemy knows they're there. The Raptor combines stealth, speed, agility, and advanced sensors into a single, lethal package. It's a flying supercomputer, processing vast amounts of battlefield data to give its pilot total situational awareness. Even years after its debut, the F-22 remains the undisputed king of the air, a powerful deterrent wherever it flies. Much of its capability is still classified, but what's clear is that it's changed how the Air Force thinks about air combat. It's not just about dogfighting anymore, it's about controlling the entire battle space. The F-22 is the ultimate gatekeeper, a true ghost in the sky that holds the key to air dominance. The F-22 Raptor's story begins in the tense final years of the Cold War. The US military watched the Soviet Union develop agile, advanced fighters like the Su-27 and MiG-29, threatening to outclass American jets. The Air Force needed a revolutionary leap, not just an upgrade, to guarantee air superiority. Thus, the Advanced Tactical Fighter program was born in 1981, aiming to create a jet that would dominate the skies for decades. Requirements were steep: stealth, supercruise, extreme maneuverability, and cutting-edge avionics. Two teams competed: Lockheed Boeing General Dynamics with the YF-22, and Northrop McDonnell Douglas with the YF-23. Both prototypes pushed the limits, but after intense testing, the YF-22 was chosen for its edge in maneuverability and lower risk. The Cold War ended, but the need for a dominant fighter remained. The F-22 was destined to become the guardian of a new era, born from the shadows of an old conflict. Its development marked a generational leap in aerial warfare. The Raptor's journey from prototype to operational war machine was long and challenging, but it set the stage for a new standard in air dominance. The F-22 Raptor is an engineering marvel, powered by two Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines. These engines deliver speeds over Mach 2 and enable supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. This means the Raptor can travel farther and faster, intercepting threats or escaping danger with ease. Its agility is unmatched, thanks to thrust vectoring nozzles and advanced aerodynamics, allowing maneuvers impossible for most fighters. In a dogfight, the F-22 can outturn and outclimb nearly any opponent. Its APG-77 radar detects threats at long range while remaining nearly invisible itself. Sensor fusion gives the pilot a clear, unified picture of the battle space. All weapons are carried internally, preserving stealth and reducing radar signature. The Raptor's arsenal includes AMRAAMs, sidewinders, and a hidden Vulcan cannon for close combat. Weapon bay doors open and close in a flash, keeping the jet stealthy even in battle. This blend of speed, agility, sensors, and stealth makes the F-22 a truly dominant air superiority platform. The F-22's game-changing feature is its stealth, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar. Its radar cross-section is as small as a steel marble, a blip lost in background noise. This is achieved through careful shaping angled surfaces, aligned edges, and saw-toothed doors all scatter radar waves away from their source. The jet is coated in radar-absorbent material, soaking up radar energy and converting it to heat. Every seam and panel is sealed to maintain a smooth, radar-defeating surface. Engines are buried deep, and exhaust is cooled to mask the infrared signature. Avionics are designed to gather information passively, avoiding detection. The result? The F-22 can penetrate deep into enemy territory, undetected. Stealth isn't just about shape, it's a total system, from materials to electronics. This gives the Raptor the ultimate tactical advantage. It's a true ghost, striking before the enemy even knows it's there. To grasp the F-22's dominance, compare it to other fighters. The F-15 Eagle was once king, but the Raptor is a generational leap ahead. Nearly invisible, super cruising, and able to strike before being seen. Against adversaries like Russia's Su-35 or China's J-20, the F-22's stealth and sensors mean it can engage from afar, unseen and untouchable. The Su-35 is agile, but the Raptor ensures the fight never gets close. The J-20 is a peer on paper but lacks the Raptor's refined stealth and supercruise. Decades of operational experience and training give the F-22 a further edge. In exercises like Red Flag, the Raptor achieves staggering kill ratios, sometimes over 100 to 1. Pilots routinely kill multiple adversaries without ever being detected. The F-22's combination of stealth, speed, and awareness makes its pilot the ultimate predator. It truly operates in a league of its own. The F-22 didn't just introduce a new jet, it rewrote the rules of air combat. The old dogfight is nearly obsolete. The Raptor's mantra is, first look, first shot, first kill. Its sensors and stealth let it see and strike before the enemy can react. F-22 pilots act as hunters, building a complete picture of the battle space and sharing it with other aircraft via secure data links. The Raptor becomes the eyes and ears for the entire force, guiding allies while remaining undetected. In exercises, even the best allied pilots find themselves helpless against the F-22, fighting a ghost. The psychological impact is immense. Facing an invisible enemy is demoralizing and terrifying. The Raptor's existence has forced air forces worldwide to rethink their strategies and invest in new detection technologies. The F-22 has driven the evolution of air defense for the 21st century. By changing the game so completely, it's shaped both its own dominance and the threats it faces. The F-22's unmatched capability came at a staggering cost, over $400 million per jet when all expenses are included. With the Cold War ending and new priorities emerging, the massive Soviet threat the Raptor was built to counter faded away. The US shifted focus to ground wars and drones, making the F-22 seem like a golden sword for a fight that wasn't happening. In 2009, production was capped at just 187 jets, far short of the original plan. The F-35, a more versatile and exportable fighter, became the new focus. Many argue ending F-22 production was a mistake, especially as new threats like China's J-20 emerge. Restarting production is now prohibitively expensive. The Air Force is left with a small, elite fleet, precious assets reserved for the most critical missions. Despite its closed production line, the F-22 remains the sharpest tool in the US Air Force. Continuous upgrades keep its software, sensors, and weapons at the cutting edge. New data links allow the Raptor to share its sensor picture with other aircraft, enhancing the entire combat network. Upgraded missiles like the AIM-9X give it even deadlier first-shot capability. The Raptor now serves as a bridge to the future, testing tactics for the next generation of air dominance. Lessons from operating this elite fleet shaped the design of its successor, the NGAD. The F-22 is a powerful deterrent deployed globally to signal American resolve. Its talons are sharper than ever and its legacy continues to grow. The F-22 Raptor is a legend. Technology, ambition, and strategy combined to create a jet decades ahead of its time. Its legacy is one of dominance, setting the benchmark for all fighters that followed. The Raptor's blend of stealth, speed, and awareness revolutionized air combat and military strategy. Its limited numbers make it a precious strategic asset, feared by adversaries, revered by allies. The NGAD will build on the Raptor's foundation, ensuring U.S. air superiority for generations. The F-22 has been both weapon and teacher, pushing the limits of what's possible. It redefined air superiority, not just outfighting the enemy, but controlling information and striking from invisibility. The Raptor will be remembered as the ghost in the sky, the silent hunter that changed the game forever.